Hey guys, we are going to play with ardha chandrasana with 2 separate entrances. In order to do this, you'll need a block handy. And then come to stand, and we'll start on the left side, and we'll just do the left side. Triangle pose, Utthita Trikonasana. The front heel bisects the back arch. Block is in the left hand as the arms go parallel to the floor. Tilt the pelvis so that you feel what this is like. And then notice, as you tilt your pelvis back, the back hip has a slight medial rotation. It's not pulling back towards the back edge of the mat. So as we come into the ardha chandrasana, we want to keep this same slight medial rotation. All right, so from here, we shift the weight forward, drag the back foot in, look at the left foot, see that it doesn't move, and then flex the toes. Draw the left cheek back behind you, and there will be this slight medial rotation of the top hip. Also notice that the left hand is in front of the body versus directly underneath the shoulder. For more activation, draw the front ribs in, lengthen the sit bones towards the heels, and then open up. To release, slowly bend into the knee, step the foot back, and come back upright. So you can get into ardha chandrasana from Utthita Trikonasana, or you can come into it from a bent knee posture like warrior 2. So for warrior 2, we come into a longer stance, front heel bisects the back arch. And again, we notice that there's this medial rotation of the back hip, and we want to keep that. So for years, you may have been cued to roll open through your top hip, and that's okay. What I invite you to do is try this on and see how it feels in your body. Okay? All right, so from the warrior 2 position, we bend into the front knee, drag the back foot in, press down through the left leg, arm reaches up. Activate the toes on the right foot like you were going to press the heel into the wall. Lengthen through the sit bones, roll open across the chest. Check the placement of the left hand. It's slightly forward of the left foot and to the left. Notice what's happening with your bottom knee. Knee tracks with the second toe as you roll open across the chest. Slowly release that, return to your warrior 2, and let that go. So I invite you to try that on, see how that feels in your body, whether you're coming into it from triangle pose or if you're coming into it from warrior 2. Keep the bottom foot grounded, no turning of the feet because we know that that happens. Press down through the 4 corners of the feet and then gently shift the weight forward. I also feel like the drag of the back foot helps keep integrity with the core so that you can lift with grace and ease. So hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for listening and playing along with me. Head over to Yoga International for more fun like this, and like, comment, and subscribe.